So here we are seeing that Samsung is producing 512 gigabytes of RAM stick. Like a single RAM stick would have a 512 gigabytes of capacity. That's like something really atrocious, I would say. And Team Group is also producing the overclockable DDR5 RAM modules. And here we are again in another price inflation right now. And if you are someone who is planning to the PC RAM upgrade, then I would request you to do it as soon as possible, or otherwise your wallet and your money will be no more. Because here we are seeing some unexpectedly continuing climbing of RAM prices through the quarter first of 2021, and it is surely expected to go beyond quarter second of 2021. Now, well, these won't go as as absurd as GPU graphics card, but the news is coming from Digitimes. That's a Taiwanese news industry company like that specifically focuses on industry news, and it's also coming from TrendForce also. So the thing is that the DDRM DRAM contact prices, the modules that we have, has increased approximately 3 to 8% during the quarter one, and the prices of the same modules are expected to increase anywhere around 13 to 18% during the second quarter of 2021. So the overall demand of the DRAM chips is seeing very strong from coming out around from all the markets, and slightly disproportionate on various fronts and paces. But the PC DRAM still remains the strongest source of demands, and this is especially because of PC OEM continue to stock up their inventory to get ahead of the price hikes. Now the thing is that, as you know, that graphics card are suffering a massive shortage right now. We aren't expecting to see any graphics card in a year and a half around available into your normal Amazon stocks. So that's the issue. So people are right now buying OEM pieces because there you can actually get some gaming GPUs for the right price, but well, obviously paying extra for the other parts also. That's what we are facing right now. So there is also demand that's rising from the OEM market, and as because second quarter has started, the server market will be begun to pick up as the AMD has launched its latest EPYC lineup, and the Intel has also launched the new Xeon lineups. And the second quarter is especially marked every year that server sector always upgrades their stuff, buy their stuff, and hoards their inventory during the second quarter only. And just because there would be server data centers that would be holding up on the RAM, it's expected that it could increase around 20% sequentially in the prices also. So now the thing is that as soon as second quarter starts, now the server sector would be more aggressive on the inventory building, and that's something that would affect all over around. Now well, we can say that DRAM prices won't go as high as graphics card. Come on, a RAM that costs 4,000 rupees, that won't be selling at around 12,000 rupees. That's not something that's physically possible. People won't buy it obviously, because RAM isn't that big of an issue. Graphics card is. And the moreover, we can see that the mobile sector also, if you are a mobile gamer, which I merely suspect that you are, because we PC guys hate mobile gamers, but what can we say? So the thing is that you are also expecting an increase in your DRAM prices because of the server sector obviously leaping up onto your RAM. Meanwhile, TrendForce states that the mainstream 8GB DDR4 modules has been grown up in prices as 15% much during the second quarter. This is what the speculations are. Now all I can say is that even though the prices would be rising on continuously, if you are expecting to do a price upgrade or RAM upgrade, do it as soon as possible, or otherwise you would be paying more and more of your money. And well, this could be expected to slow down in the third and fourth quarter of the year, but let's hope that hopefully the global chip shortage of both the GPUs and RAM solves as soon as possible. Well, till then, bye bye.